back to the channel. It's Life with Mama Yana, Ashleyanna. It's Life with Mama Yana, Ashleyanna Church. Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. I missed y'all, and I know y'all wondering what happened to you. I know you can tell by the thumbnail, y'all. I'll let y'all know in a minute. Let's say grace. God, I want to thank you for this food that I'm about to receive. I ask that you let it be a blessing and nourishment to my body. I ask that you bless the hands that prepared it. In the name of Jesus, I pray. Amen. Y'all, today we got a soul food mukbang. I was in the kitchen all morning and all night. Made some black eyed peas, some collard greens, some candy yams, and some smoked neck bones and some regular neck bones. Let's get this thumbnail. Okay, that's good enough. Whew, y'all. Hot girl summer officially over. Look at my eye. That's what I get for trying to be young. And today is my cheat day, so don't worry about it. I'm still on a diet, but it's my cheat day, so I'm going in. And after this, I'm gonna eat again. Making some nachos, some different kind of nachos. Yeah, this food's so good. I ain't cooked in a minute, not like this. And in honor of my cheat day, y'all know what it is. Got that knee-high peach. What y'all know about it? I'm so proud of Walmart. I'm just so proud of them for finally starting to carry this. Because you usually can't find this but nowhere in the country and in the hood. But Walmart got it now. They've been having it for some months now. And this is my guilty pleasure. So I have to get a bottle today. My lamb. It's so delicious. Let me tell y'all what happened. So my cousin was here from Arkansas, and when I told y'all they'd be doing wigs, baddest in the wig game. Look at this. And we went to go have some drinks last night at Gloria's. And if you ever been to Gloria's, you already know how them drinks be. So we was lit. We was supposed to go to Gloria's and then come home because she had to be back at the airport at 7 o'clock this morning. But no. This food's so good. I wanted to be grown. And go riding scooters downtown. That was first mistake. Because I'm scared. I've rode them before, but for like 2 minutes. And I wasn't going fast. But last night, y'all, we was on the scooters for like an hour and a half. And so I got a little comfy. Look at this neck bone. Get y'all a bite. I want to get some. So I got a little comfortable, y'all. And took my hand off the scooter trying to ride with no hand. So I was just riding. I had my cousin recording me because I was going to put it in the video. And I was going slow or whatever. Then when I finally found like a a steady, you know, stretch with no bumps on the ground and stuff, I start going real fast. And I'm like, let me turn it up for the channel. Woo! What I do that for? Next thing I know, I'm looking like this. So never again, hanging on anything. I learned my lesson. Man, I flew and hit that concrete head first. Never again. And tell me why. The first thing I did when I finally opened my eyes, I said, did you get that on camera? And the heifer didn't even catch it on camera, y'all. She started recording 0.2 seconds before it happened. But there's some footage of me just laying there trying to get up. Rika trying to help me get up. I'm going to put that at the end of this video so y'all can get a good laugh. Y'all, I was looking like Martin. I forgot what happened in the episode. But I don't know if he got bit by something. Remember when Martin had all them knots on him? Talking to you. Mm-hmm. What happened?
He got beat up.
Okay, I thought so. He was like boxing in the boxing ring? Mm-hmm. Okay, I did used to watch that show a little bit. That's Tierra, y'all. Best friend in the house.
What's up, y'all?
I ain't tell you say all of that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Nah, I'm playing.
I'm sorry.
I just needed her assistance because she used to watch that show. It's alright. You just be quiet. No, I kid. Yeah, so y'all know the episode of Martin. Y'all know y'all used to watch Martin. Martin. That was my show.
You never used to watch that. Stop.
Let me stop. That was not my show. I was a Fresh Prince type of girl.
Used to watch that.
I was a Fresh Prince type of girl. Martin was kind of lame. But I remember that episode. And that's how I looked last night. I'm going to insert a picture. Y'all don't laugh at me too much. Not too hard on me. Let me tell y'all. So I posted on Facebook and everybody was concerned and telling me I need to go get it checked out. I was going to wait until tomorrow when my doctor's office open and have him look at it. But everybody was making me nervous. And then I couldn't reach my best friend. She don't never answer her phone. I don't know why she don't never answer her phone. I called her yesterday and text her about the Alfredo.
Oh, Lord. Leave her alone.
Woo, Lord. No, y'all, that's an inside joke. But she usually, I usually go to her to diagnose me. I'm her doctor, she mine. My doctor was not available. So I ended up having to go to the ER. And tell me why the ER doctor, he said, what brings you in today? I said, I just need to check on my head, make sure I ain't got no concussion or nothing. And he said, well, what happened? I said, I fell off the scooter last night. Trying to ride the scooter, I fell off and hit my head. He gonna say, and then he gonna try to hurry up, cut it off. Talking about, yep, those things are very fun, but they can be very dangerous. I'm like, no, you done already laughed at me. I was on the phone with Tierra, y'all. And she said, did he laugh at you? He sure did. I was so embarrassed.
Why people think it's so funny
when people fall? I don't know, but let me tell you about karma. Cause we was in Gloria's, and this girl on the side of me, she had almost fell, and I had put her on Snapchat, and I was like, y'all, this girl right here almost fell so hard, and I was just really geeking laughing at her. And karma came back so fast, threw me off a scooter. It came back so fast on my butt. So, word to the wise, scooters are meant to use both hands. Can't be out there doing no tricks. I don't know what I was thinking. But I just wasn't scared no more, y'all, and I just wanted to try something. It tried me.
You thought you had magic tricks?
I didn't know. I felt like I was like a warrior. Out there just riding on them scooters. It's like a little skinny car, y'all. Like, it just make you feel so powerful. And I thought I could ride with no hands. She said, look my, no hands. She said, look my, no hands. But, so, hold on. I still got this thing on. I went to the hospital. I got a CAT scan done. They told me I was all right. No brain, what they say? Junior, put that ball down. Yeah, no brain swelling, no fluid on my brain, no fractures in my brain. It was just like, you just got a little nasty knot. And they gave me some tramadol and some medicine for nausea, which I don't know why. And told me to take it easy and rest my brain. And they told me how to do that. They said no watching TV, no being on the phone, looking at your screen. That sound right to you? And she in the medical field. Well, she was for a long time. That sound right to you?
Yeah.
Yeah? Mm-hmm. Why you can't watch TV?
Because strain on your eyes.
Hmm.
Can I go this? If I get up, can I go this way to the kitchen?
Yeah.
You want to see me,
You gonna make the nachos?
I'm going to start on it.
Hey, but all the stuff over there.
Okay.
Yeah, just stay that way.
Okay.
She finna start making the nachos, y'all. It's finna be a lituation.
I'm going to start with some meat.
Okay. She hungry, y'all. I gave her a plate. She don't eat a lot of soul food, y'all. She kind of thinks she ain't. She a little bougie. One of mine now. And I got you something else in there.
Okay.
Find it and see. I made her a plate with some greens and sweet potato, and she told us, y'all, I'll be throwing down. But she don't eat neck bones. Bruh.
What?
Wait.
Well, I can eat these.
Alright, you get some more. I can see you right now. Give me some. This food's so good, y'all. Y'all think I'm gonna have a black eye?
Let me see.
No? No? Okay, good. 'Cause I don't want
It
to.
really don't. It really don't look that bad.
It don't it? It's
When
gonna
it
went
was just
down.
so heavy.
She's so wrong.
It went right in.
Been talking about blending in with my forehead, but it really kind of do. It was, but last night, y'all, I'm gonna insert that picture. It was humongous. But yeah, when I finally talked to her, when she finally answered her phone earlier, she gonna say, "You all right? Talking about all that forehead. You had all that forehead to protect you." She ain't right.
I didn't know you post that on Facebook.
Mhm.
I've never been on it.
You know I don't be caring. Then when I woke up this morning, I was like, okay, what was I thinking? I looked at Holly. Kyle comment on there, something funny. It was so funny. So y'all, make sure if y'all ride them scooters, y'all be safe. Y'all probably can hear Joy and Lolo in the room in there being loud. All right, I think I'm done. I want to save some room for these nachos. Oh yeah, that's what I'm gonna tell y'all. My cousin told me about the way that she make her nachos. So we're gonna try it different today. You use cream cheese, seasons blend, which is chopped up bell pepper, onion, all the different kind of bell peppers and onion, steel rotel, and spinach. You saute the spinach with some garlic and all of that. And you don't use Velveeta. I'm so excited. Y'all, it's going to be good. Oh, and Jimmy Dean sausage. Yeah, you don't use Velveeta.
So what would you do?
Nachos. The cream cheese is the cheese. It's going to be seasoned to... Oh, and taco seasoning. It's finna slap.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad we're using that cheese. I'm not tired of cheese.
Mm-hmm. I didn't even know that. I'm glad I tested when I was in Walmart because I was gonna get Velveeta and just one thing of cream cheese.
That's gonna be good.
Mm-hmm. And I'm gonna let y'all know how that tastes. Might do another video out there. I need to stack back up because 2 days last week I didn't do one. So now I'm in like day order, do one and have to post it the next day. The girl be cooking and cleaning and cleaning and cooking. This is my last bite, y'all. It's just heavy on earth. Excuse me, y'all. I'm just breaking. Last bite. I'll let y'all get some first. Get a big one. I'm done. Woo! Okay, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love y'all so much. Thank you for your support. If you're new to the channel, thank you. If you're not new to the channel, thank you for coming back and watching. And I just want y'all to stay tuned in and let me know if y'all want me to do anything in particular down in the comments. And I got y'all. You know what? Nobody never commented any questions that they wanted me to do in the Q&A video. Comment some questions down below and I'm going to write them all down and give y'all the answers to your questions on a video whenever somebody gives me some questions. I wanted to do that going live, but YouTube won't let me go live for whatever reason. They got so many terms and conditions and stuff that you have to meet, criteria you have to meet before you can do stuff. And I'm not there yet, and I don't even know what it is. They were supposed to email me back letting me know why they didn't enable my live button, but I haven't got no email. So I can do a Q&A video. Y'all just put some questions and let me know. Okay? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with as many people as you can. And let them know what's going down over here on It's Life with my Miana Ashleyanna. It's Life with my Miana Ashleyanna. Church. Y'all so crazy.
Bye.
Here, come say bye. Come here. Come here. Come here, Lola. Look, they so hard-headed. I told them to stay in their room. And they came out because they heard me doing It's Life with my Miana Ashleyanna. It's Life with my Miana Ashleyanna. That's exactly why you gotta watch what you do, because she immediately started mocking me. Y'all say bye to the friends.
Bye. Bye, little people.
Get up. Get up. Get out of here. Look at that knot, y'all. Get up. Get up. Okay. Y'all look at this knot on my head. I feel head first. see y'all. It don't look that bad no more. It still went down. But y'all got me so nervous. I'm waiting to get my CAT scan.